hashtag spring, the first day of spring. And I have an awesome giveaway for you guys. So let's see what you can win. So in addition to winning those cute accessories, you will also win the BH Cosmetics Day and Night palette. And I really like this palette. I have had it, I've used it several times, and I really like it. It's actually one of my favorite palettes from BH Cosmetics. So I look forward to sharing this with one lucky winner, along with that fabulous jewelry that you guys have seen. So let's get straight to the point. To enter this giveaway, the first thing that you need to do is, one, be a subscriber to Married to KDK's YouTube channel, All Things Me by Married to KDK. The second thing that you need to do is call my mama and tell her how much you like my YouTube channel. Then after you do that, you need to post on your Facebook page 3 of my videos. And then after you do that, you need to have everybody who watched the video come back to this Number 1, you need to be a subscriber. Number 2, you need to submit a video response. Yes, another video response video showing me your spring outfit of the day, showing me your spring face of the day, or showing me a tutorial of spring makeup of some kind, that kind of thing, a styling video. Anything showing me what your favorite things about spring. One of those 4 choices, okay? So a spring outfit of the day, a spring face of the day, a spring makeup tutorial, or a spring styling or style lookbook type video, or telling me about your favorite things for spring. If you do all 4 of them, that's cool. If you only do 1, then that's entry. But if you do all 4, of course, they will be extra entries. And then you also need to come down and comment down below and say your favorite thing about spring. That's it, guys. This giveaway. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber. Again, number 2, you need to comment down below telling me your favorite thing you like about spring. And then number 3, submit one of those video responses for extra entries. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. I can't wait to see who the winner is. Bye.